Submitting your paper to a journal? Don't skip the cover letter. It's the editor's first impression of your work. A professional cover letter helps your manuscript stand out and increases your chances of moving past the initial editorial review. Think of it as your paper's elevator pitch. Your goal is to tell the editor 3 key things: why your paper matters, why it fits this journal, and that it's original, ethical, and ready for review. Before you start writing, take a few minutes to prepare. Find out the journal's name and, if possible, the editor's name. Check the submission guidelines to see if they have any specific requirements for cover letters. Gather essential details like your manuscript title, author list, and statements about originality, conflicts of interest, and ethics approval. Then, identify 2 or 3 short points that define your paper's novelty. What makes it valuable or different from existing work? When writing, follow a simple structure. Start with a polite greeting. In the first paragraph, mention the title of your manuscript and that you're submitting it for consideration. In the next paragraph, summarize what your paper contributes. Be brief and specific about what's new or important. Then include administrative information, such as originality, conflicts of interest, and ethical approvals if applicable. End with a short thank you, your contact information, and a professional closing. Keep the letter concise, ideally between 200 and 350 words. Every sentence should serve a purpose. Editors appreciate a clear, well-organized message they can quickly scan. The tone should be confident and professional, but not overly formal. Avoid exaggerated claims or hype words like groundbreaking or revolutionary. Instead, use precise, factual language that shows confidence in your results. Mention briefly why your paper fits the journal's focus or readership. That personal touch shows you've done your homework. Tailoring matters. Avoid sending the same generic letter to multiple journals. Customize your message to match the journal's aims, and, if appropriate, mention how your study builds on recent work published there. Before submitting, do a quick checklist. Check that the editor's name and journal title are correct. Ensure your manuscript title matches exactly. Confirm that originality, ethics, and data statements are included. Add your contact details and verify word limits if the journal specifies one. A short, accurate letter looks more professional than a long, generic one. Finally, remember that the cover letter isn't just a formality. It's your first communication with the editor. Write it clearly, tailor it carefully, and keep it focused on why your paper matters. A well-written cover letter won't guarantee acceptance, but it can make the editor more interested in reading your work, and that's a powerful first step. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more academic writing advice, and visit SciScribe.dev, a modern online LaTeX platform designed for writing, formatting, and collaborating on research papers with ease.